Learn Hindi for travel banking. Where is the bank? And
मुझे एक रसीद चाहिए.
welcome to Survival Banking Hindi. Hey, you are about to learn Hindi you can actually use when your wallet is dramatic and your phone battery is at 2%. Let's make banking phrases in Hindi easy, memorable, and a little ridiculous. Imagine this. You land in a new city, your card looks nervous, your cash is missing, and a mango juice vendor is judging you kindly. So you begin with the classic question.
बैंक कहाँ है?
If you want the machine instead of the whole building, ask.
ATM कहाँ है?
Already, you sound like a smart traveler instead of a confused potato with a passport. Your 5 power phrases today. You do not need 1,000 words today. You need the right 5, said clearly and confidently. Phrase 1. Where is the bank? In Hindi.
बैंक कहाँ है?
Phrase 2. Where is the ATM? In Hindi.
ATM कहाँ है?
Phrase 3. Can I withdraw money here? In Hindi.
क्या मैं यहाँ पैसे निकाल सकती हूँ?
Phrase 4. Can I exchange money? In Hindi.
क्या मैं पैसे बदल सकता हूँ?
Phrase 5. I need a receipt. In Hindi.
मुझे एक रसीद चाहिए.
Tiny story, big emergency. Listen to this mini travel disaster and notice how the Hindi phrases save the day. Honestly, they deserve little superhero capes. You step out of the station. You are hungry. You are thirsty. You are confident until the snack seller says, cash only. You smile bravely and ask a local.
ATM कहाँ है?
The local points left. You walk left and see a bank. Just to be sure, you ask.
बैंक कहाँ है?
The local laughs and points behind you. Yes, the bank is behind you. Classic traveler moment. Inside, you ask the staff.
क्या मैं यहाँ पैसे निकाल सकती हूँ?
Then you remember your foreign cash and ask.
क्या मैं पैसे बदल सकता हूँ?
Finally, because future you is wise, organized, and slightly suspicious, you say.
मुझे एक रसीद चाहिए.
Quick pronunciation boosts. You do not need perfect pronunciation. You just need clear rhythm, a calm voice, and the courage of someone who really wants snacks. Say it in chunks.
बैंक कहाँ है?
Again.
ATM कहाँ है?
Longer one.
क्या मैं यहाँ पैसे निकाल सकती हूँ?
Another useful one.
क्या मैं पैसे बदल सकता हूँ?
And the practical hero phrase.
मुझे एक रसीद चाहिए.
Dialogue at the bank. Now let's turn the phrases into a real conversation. You listen first, then imagine yourself speaking with calm traveler energy. Traveler. Excuse me.
बैंक कहाँ है?
Local. Straight ahead. Or, if you only need cash.
ATM कहाँ है?
Works too. Traveler. Great, thank you. At the counter.
क्या मैं यहाँ पैसे निकाल सकती हूँ?
Clerk. Yes. Traveler. Also.
क्या मैं पैसे बदल सकता हूँ?
Clerk. Yes, you can. Traveler. Wonderful. And.
मुझे एक रसीद चाहिए.
Clerk. Excellent. You are now officially more prepared than many tourists and at least 3 uncles with overstuffed wallets. Memory tricks that actually stick. Let's make these phrases memorable with silly images, because your brain loves weird details more than polite grammar charts. 4.
बैंक कहाँ है?
Imagine a giant bank building wearing sunglasses and hiding behind a tree. 4.
ATM कहाँ है?
Picture an ATM dancing in the street like it wants applause. 4.
क्या मैं यहाँ पैसे निकाल सकती हूँ?
Imagine politely asking an ATM that acts like a moody robot bouncer. 4.
क्या मैं पैसे बदल सकता हूँ?
See foreign coins jumping into a phone booth and coming out as rupees. 4.
मुझे एक रसीद चाहिए.
Imagine a receipt so long it rolls down the street like a wedding veil for accountants. Call and response drill. Now it is your turn. I'll give the English, and you say the Hindi out loud. Yes, out loud. Whispering to your tea also counts. Where is the bank?
बैंक कहाँ है?
Where is the ATM?
एटीएम कहाँ है?
Can I withdraw money here?
क्या मैं यहाँ पैसे निकाल सकती हूँ?
Can I exchange money?
क्या मैं पैसे बदल सकता हूँ?
I need a receipt.
मुझे एक रसीद चाहिए.
Mini quiz with zero judgment. Let's test your memory. If you miss one, no problem. Even confident travelers sometimes point at a vending machine and hope for miracles. How do you say, where is the bank? Answer.
बैंक कहाँ है?
How do you say, where is the ATM? Answer.
एटीएम कहाँ है?
How do you say, can I withdraw money here? Answer.
क्या मैं यहाँ पैसे निकाल सकती हूँ?
How do you say, can I exchange money? Answer.
क्या मैं पैसे बदल सकता हूँ?
How do you say, I need a receipt? Answer.
मुझे एक रसीद चाहिए.
Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You just learned Hindi phrases that can rescue a real trip, a real purchase, and possibly your relationship with cash. Today you practiced.
बैंक कहाँ है? एटीएम कहाँ है? क्या मैं यहाँ पैसे निकाल सकती हूँ? क्या मैं पैसे बदल सकता हूँ?
And.
मुझे एक रसीद चाहिए.
Thanks for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the phrases tomorrow, and next time you need money in Hindi, you will sound calm, clear, and impressively prepared.